Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to our final edition of The Markets Are Opening. It's a Friday today. Once again, we want to break down these markets and see how the markets are going to be like throughout the day. You are welcome to BFI Live TV with your host, Prophet Bonang. Allow me to welcome you right here on this Bonang Financial Institute YouTube streaming channel. Bonang Financial Institute offers lifetime mentorship to various individuals from different parts of the world, where we teach you how to track the markets, specifically the US 30, the NASDAQ, and gold generally. So kindly head to www.bonangfinance.co.za for you to join or be part of our mentorship. Nevertheless, without wasting your time, allow me to jump into it quickly. What we are seeing here is the US 30. Right, US 30 yesterday, as mentioned, it has hit our Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Our Wednesday TP on the 3rd. All right, our TP has been hit. Currently, the market is sleeping above that area. We have a value around 51,556 right there, and then we have a very massive projected TP, which is very up all the way to 52,442 right there. At this juncture or at this situation like this, I myself see a very strong push, especially on the monthly candle. I notice that these markets are very bullish. Nevertheless, these markets are not tradable. If I'm to be honest with you, there's a possible that the market may go up or the market may go down. So the range is very wide range to the down, wide range to the up. We are sitting at an all-time high price currently and a resistance there. We see this market printing exactly what happened here on a Wednesday. So that could be the same. Nevertheless, this could not be the issue again because of the strong bullish momentum that happened yesterday. So what I would say or recommend in this instrument today is stay put, do not do anything, wait for the market to play out. If it pushes up to the TP, then you sell from 52,442 there, boom, all the way to the downside. That's the best option I can have, right? Provided the market does not push up, we all know we have to buy from 50,991, 50,692 there. Well, it has weakened this zone. If you check the previous close, is literally outside the key zone, which is the support. So which means that's a weak support. So the market might break that and continue going down further. So at this point, we stay put and we observe and watch these markets. Jumping into NASDAQ yesterday's buy, as mentioned on the previous video in the morning session, the markets are open edition. I said I wouldn't buy here because of this deep side, because of the irregularity of breakout. That breakout alone weakened this buy setup, but we bought from this level, targeted the CV, and that CV was smashed and the market went back to play out the sell direction. So that was a beautiful trade right there. Today we see the market printing the same thing as of yesterday. It has not revisited the CV. Nevertheless, there is a bit of irregularity again. As you can see, that's an illegal move. Already we have a new key zone again down there. So that's a fresh one. It's a sign this thing is going to continue going down. So the markets are likely going to continue going down to 29,840, 48 there, all the way down to 29,481 right there. Basically, this is what these markets might do, right? At this point, stay put as well. I would rather observe how these markets are going to be like. I want to also remind you that today is NFP day. So markets could dump or pump. It depends. We shall see during that time. One of the most challenging things in your trading journey is likely going to be capital. We have partnered with Commit Capital to help traders in their journey. I have worked with Commit Capital. I have been funded with Commit Capital. I have received various payouts from Commit Capital. Therefore, it's safe to literally recommend you to jump into Comet Capital. Comet Capital is a prop firm that helps traders with funding, unleash your trading potential, expand your funded account to an impressive $1 million US, take your trading to the next level, right? 8 hours, quick and reliable payouts, right? Maximize your earnings 85%. You can go up to $1 million with Comet Capital. All right, secure funding in 3 simple steps. Kickstart your trading career with Comet Capital by following these easy 3 steps. Accept the challenge, complete the verification, trade with real capital. Basically, that's how it goes. Comet Capital is partnered with 2 regulated brokers, which is RCG Markets and Space Markets, right? Right, Comet Capital offers instant funding accounts up to $2,500, not that much though, and also 50,000 rands. Comet Capital funds in 2 currencies, rands, which is the South African rands, South African currency, and US dollar, the US dollar, right? They have got instant funding, 1 phase challenge, up to $200,000, up to 4 million rands. They've got 2 phase, which is up from 25,000 rands up to 4 million rands, from 1,250 to 200,000. They've got also classic 2 phase all the way to 200,000 and also 4 million rand capital. Right, you want to use the code BFI30 for a 30% discount on all Comet Capital challenges. BFI30 gives you 30% discount. Right, if you want to learn more about prop firm trading, you want to stick to this YouTube channel. It will help you, guide you also on how to pass these prop firm challenges. Right, looking at gold, sorry, yesterday during the New York opening session, the markets are open edition, I did take the sell, and then boom, the TP was hit. You want to revisit the videos on this playlist, you will see what I'm talking about. Today's markets are literally playing this buy already. This is the buy that if you check, sorry, this thing went wrong, but this buy 4,428 there is what is playing out exactly like that. That's where this market bought from again, if you check very well. Unfortunately, I was asleep. I didn't take this trade at all, so I missed it. So the market today is expected to continue pushing up at this point, right? The markets are expected to continue pushing up, but however, I would want to see how the markets play around this zone. If we sustain that zone and then we push up, we'll be pushing up all the way to the prices of where we are selling from today, 4,516. So at this point, buys could really work. Nevertheless, you want to wait for market to at least fill in this area or close above this area, revisit this area, and then we enter from there, the area of around 4,453 right there. Other than that, we want to see something like this, then we buy. Right, we target 4,516 and sell from there again. Right, thank you so much, my dear friends. Whatever is said or done within this update, it does not constitute to any financial advice. Whatever you do with this information is entirely at your own risk. Buying or selling signal is not provided here. And once again, we are not reliable for any losses or wins that should occur as a result of what has been shared here. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have yourself a wonderful day. Today, we won't have an afternoon session of this edition. We'll only stream on Monday live on YouTube. Do not forget to tune in exactly 8:45 a.m. Central Africa time. Bye-bye.